Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel and I'm going to show you guys this really quick makeup look inspired by SZA's Grammy makeup. So I already applied my foundation, so we're going to get right into it and just start concealing the under eyes. I'm using Fawn by LA Girl Pro. It's a super inexpensive concealer, and on top of that I'm just using a little bit of the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer as well because I just want a really bright under eye for this look. Next, we're going to go ahead and blend that concealer in with a little bit of the Mercier setting spray, and of course I'm using a Real Techniques sponge to do this. I prefer to use my sponge damp so that when I go in with powder it just sinks right into the skin. I am mixing two powders together. I'm using the Laura Mercier and Ben Nye Banana Powder. I just love how these two look together. I tried contouring with another LA Girl concealer, but that was a fail, so I'm just going to go in with the black opal what is this called? The black opal cream stick foundation. I use this as a concealer as well for contouring, and it's amazing. For contour, you guys already know the drill with that. I'm just gonna try to chisel my cheeks, put a little bit under my lip, my forehead, and my jawline. After I'm done blending out that contour on my cheeks, I'm just gonna go in with one of my favorite powders ever. It's from MAC Cosmetics and it is the MAC Mineralize in Dark. Love this powder. It just makes my skin look so smooth and soft, and I recommend this powder to all of my friends. It's one of my favorite things to have in my makeup kit, and it matches my skin tone as well, so I'm just gonna pop that all over the face. And right after I'm done applying that, I'm just gonna go in with the MAC bronzing powder. This I'm gonna use for my contour strictly. I just want to give that a little bit of depth, and then I'm gonna go in with another powder, but this one is from L'Oreal, and that's just to deepen my contour a little bit as well. Now here's a throwback. I'm gonna start my brows using the Wet n Wild Ultimate brow kit. Like, this is such a 2012 thing. Like, when this first came on the scene, I felt like this was my only way to do my brows before I start using Spike by MAC. But I'm just gonna be using the brow powder to fill in my brows, and you know, I'm just gonna brush them and leave them wild and free, you know, kind of like SZA. Okay, so now that the brows are on, I'm just gonna brush away that powder. Then I'm gonna go back to my MAC Mineralize and L'Oreal powders and just use a very light wash of those two powders over the lid. And right after that, we're gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics highlighter palette. This was only about 12 bucks from the website. The highlighters are very pigmented and totally worth the money. For blush, just to add a little bit more color back to my face, I'm using a ColourPop blush from the Karrueche line called Flush, and I'm mixing that with a black Radiance blush as well. And coming down to the home stretch, I'm just gonna quickly add some lashes on by Huda Beauty. They're called Sasha. And for lips, I'm using Plum by MAC. It's a lip liner that I really love, and I'm also gonna use the Universal Gloss by Fenty Beauty. Alright, so that is about it. Super simple, super easy. I just wanted to do something that was really natural. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.